In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a filter view here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to save some filter views that you've already created within your data, this is how you're going to do it. So I have this example. If I were to apply a filter, I'm going to go to data here, create a filter, and let's say I want to filter this example by only viewing or only showing the active status within my table. So what I'm going to do is to go to the end right here, click on the filter icon, go to the filter by values at the bottom. I'm just going to clear everything out and just select active. Click on OK, and here we have it. So if I wanted to save this specific filter view that I've just created, what I'm going to do is to go back to data and select save as filter view. Once you click on that, you will now be asked to name this filter view. So I'm going to name this as active businesses. There you go. Click on save, and here we have it. So active businesses, our range is our filter view table right here. If I wanted to rename this, I can just quickly go to the ellipsis on the right side, rename it, duplicate it, delete it, and more. If I close this, there you have it. Now, if I wanted to, let's say, hide this filter view, I'm going to go back to data here, change view, and go to temporary filter 1. So in your temporary filter 1, this is your original view of your data. Now, again, if you want to filter this one more time and create another filter view, I can actually do it with a drop-down for each of my headers in my pre-built table. So again, that's going to the drop-down right next to that header. Here we have it. So I'm going to filter my monthly revenue this time. Go to filter column right here, and I will filter this by condition. Click on the conditions and select greater than or equal to. So I only want to see all the amounts that are over or equal to 20,000. There you have it. Click on OK, and here we go. So no matter what the status, the city, industry, or business name, as long as the monthly revenue is over or equal to 20,000, those are the only data that you will see on your table on this filter view. So to save this again, go back to data, select save as filter view, and rename this view. So we're going to do monthly revenue of 20,000. Click on save, and there you have it. If I close this off, then go back to data and remove filter, there we have it. We're back to the original view of this data. But if I wanted to go back to those filter views that we've just created, I'm just going to go back to data here in the menu bar and select change view. So we have here 3 options. Well, the 2 ones that we've created are the active businesses and the monthly revenue of 20,000. If I wanted to go back to active businesses, I'll click on that and it will quickly show me that view. Change that view again, go to data, select change view, select monthly revenue of 20,000, and here we have it. So that's how quick and easy you can save a filter view here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.